Natural light can transform a home, making it feel brighter, more spacious, and inviting. For Orangeburg homeowners looking to maximize the light in their living spaces while adding a touch of elegance, Bow windows are the perfect solution. With their unique design and functional benefits, Bow windows bring in abundant sunlight while enhancing the aesthetic appeal of any home. In this article, we'll explore how Bow windows can elevate Orangeburg homes by improving natural light and creating a warm, welcoming atmosphere. What are Bow windows? Bow windows are a curved arrangement of 4 or more window panels that extend outward from a home's exterior wall. Unlike bay windows, which typically feature 3 panels and an angular design, Bow windows form a gentle arc, offering a softer, more elegant appearance. Their design allows for a wide view of the outdoors and creates an architectural feature that enhances both interior and exterior aesthetics. For Orangeburg homes, Bow windows are an excellent way to highlight the surrounding beauty while improving indoor lighting. Amplifying natural light. One of the standout features of Bow windows is their ability to flood a room with natural light. The curved structure captures sunlight from multiple angles, ensuring your space is bright and illuminated throughout the day. Multi-directional light. With panels that face different directions, Bow windows allow light to enter from all sides, unlike flat windows that only capture light from one direction. Extended hours of sunlight. As the sun moves, Bow windows continue to draw in light, providing a consistent glow in your living spaces. In Orangeburg, where sunny days are plentiful, Bow windows make the most of the natural light, reducing the need for artificial lighting and creating a vibrant atmosphere. Enhancing room ambiance. The light that Bow windows bring into your home can dramatically change the ambiance of a room. Natural light has been shown to improve mood, boost productivity, and make spaces feel more open and welcoming. Living rooms. Create a bright, airy space perfect for relaxing or entertaining guests. Bedrooms. Enjoy a serene, sunlit retreat that feels cozy and peaceful. Dining areas. Set the stage for memorable meals with sunlight streaming in to enhance the setting. Bow windows bring out the best in your home's interior design by highlighting colors, textures, and decor in natural light. Connecting indoor and outdoor spaces. Bow windows are perfect for Orangeburg homeowners who want to embrace the beauty of their surroundings. Whether it's a view of a blooming garden, a tree-lined street, or a tranquil backyard, these windows provide an expansive perspective that blurs the line between indoors and outdoors. Seasonal views. Enjoy the changing colors of autumn, the blossoms of spring, or the gentle glow of a sunset from the comfort of your home. Garden showcases. Use Bow windows to frame your outdoor landscaping, creating a living portrait of Orangeburg's natural beauty. This connection to the outdoors enhances the overall living experience, making your home feel more integrated with its environment. Energy efficiency benefits. While Bow windows bring in plenty of sunlight, they're also designed to be energy efficient. Modern Bow windows feature advanced technologies to keep your home comfortable year-round. Low-E glass coatings. Reflect heat and block UV rays while allowing natural light to pass through. Insulated frames. Reduce heat transfer, helping to maintain indoor temperatures. Double or triple pane glass provides superior insulation to lower energy costs. For Orangeburg's warm summers and cooler winters, these features ensure that your home stays energy efficient while still benefiting from ample natural light. Adding functional space. The outward projection of bow windows creates additional space inside your home, which can be used in a variety of creative ways. Cozy nooks. Add a cushioned bench to create a sunny reading or lounging spot. Indoor gardens. Use the ample light to grow plants or display flowers, bringing nature indoors. Storage solutions. Incorporate built-in storage beneath the windows to maximize functionality. These functional enhancements make bow windows a practical and stylish addition to any room. Boosting home value. Bow windows are a standout architectural feature that adds value to your home. They enhance curb appeal, improve natural light, and create a sense of spaciousness that is highly attractive to potential buyers. For Orangeburg homeowners, installing bow windows is a smart investment that increases both the aesthetic and market value of your property. Conclusion. Bow windows are a perfect choice for Orangeburg homes, offering unparalleled natural light, aesthetic appeal, and functional benefits. Their unique design not only brightens interiors but also creates a stronger connection to the beautiful surroundings that make Orangeburg special. Whether you're renovating your current home or planning a new build, bow windows are an investment that will bring light, style, and value to your space. Consult a trusted Orangeburg window specialist to explore customization options and start transforming your home with the timeless elegance of bow windows. With bow windows, your home will shine brighter and feel more inviting, all while making the most of Orangeburg's stunning scenery and sunny climate.